See that faucet right there? You see it? It looks terrible, right? So I know WD-40 can do a lot, but I don't know if it can actually clean that. It's so bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the test, and you can kind of go on this trip with me and see what happens. I know WD-40 is like, you can use it for a lot, but let's go ahead and start spraying it and see what happens. By the way, I wanna have like a lot of WD-40 videos up. Please subscribe, turn on notifications. I've been doing YouTube for quite a while. And let's just spray some over there too. I mean, why not? Let's be generous. Let's go ahead. Oh my goodness, it's actually looking shiny. Oh my word, oh my word. It actually, don't touch over here, bro. It actually looks shiny now.
Whoa, cool.
Oh my word, I think, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my word, it actually looks
shiny.
Shiny. It looks so much better.
Shiny.
Oh my word, and like this stuff is just coming off just amazingly well. Oh my word. So this is very cool. Let's go ahead and see. It's actually shocking. Look, there is such a difference already in this. Let's go ahead and get some more. Oh my word, it actually did shine the faucet up a lot. The soap scum, it doesn't seem, I mean, oh wow.
It's shining the cream.
So it is doing a lot. You can see that right there.
Yeah, I think it's. I think you need to scrub the down and up.
Scrub it down and up, like that.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. So it does seem like it can do a shocking things on the metal part. So that's kind of interesting to note.
I think it's on the top when it's shiny. It's fade down.
So, my friends, it looks like the truth. It hasn't gotten all this stuff off yet. Hold on, buddy. Hasn't gotten all that stuff off yet, but it does look like WD-40 does really work to shine up metal or like this type of a surface. So it does seem like it was so much worse, and it's already like greatly improved. Please subscribe, turn on notifications. I love you all. You're amazing. Thank you.